Hello everyone. See, in our last lecture we have studied about similar triangles and similarities of triangle. Test of similarities. In that we have studied about AA test of similarity, SAS test of similarity and SSS test of similarity. Now we are going to study the theorem of areas of similar triangle. Now here already I have written the statement of the theorem. Now this we are going to prove the theorem. Okay, now see how to prove the theorem. In the exam this statement will be given for 3 marks. This question can be asked in exam for prove the theorem. So this statement will be given. Reading this statement you have to draw the figure, you have to write the given things, what you have to prove and prove this all things you have to do it. Okay, so now theorem, what does it tells? When two triangles are similar. So first we will take two triangles. Okay, triangle A, B, C and this P, Q, R. These two triangles we have to take. Now in this it is given this angle is equal to this. Angle B is equal to angle Q. And this is the altitude is perpendicular to the side BC and side QR. So we will give this name as D and this as S. Okay, now we have got the two triangles. So now here given thing is what from these two triangle given part is triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. It is said when two triangles are similar. So two triangles are similar and AD is perpendicular to BC. AD is perpendicular to BC and PS is perpendicular to QR. This is the given part in the question. Now what you want to prove? What you have to prove? Prove is what? The ratio of those triangles is equal to the ratio of the squares of their corresponding sides. Okay? The ratio of the ratio of areas of those triangle. Okay, here what? The ratio of areas of those triangle is equal to the ratio of the squares of their corresponding side. Means what? Ratio of the areas of those triangle means triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQ, area of triangle PQR is equal to what? Is equal to the ratio of the squares of their corresponding sides. Squares of their corresponding sides means AB square upon AB side is corresponds to PQ side. So PQ square is equal to BC side, BC square upon QR side. BC side is corresponds to QR side and AC side is corresponds to PR side. Okay, so AC square upon PR square. Now this we have to prove. Okay, so to prove what? Proof, how we will do it? Now here proof. Now proof, what we have to do it? We have to take a triangle. Triangle ABC we will take. Okay, in triangle ABC what? In triangle ABC, area of triangle ABC will be what? Area of triangle ABC will be base into height. Half base into height, that both it will get cancelled. So we will take the area of triangle ABC. Area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR. Triangle PQR. It will be equal to what? BC into AD and area of triangle PQR will be QR into PS. Okay. Now this is the ratio of the areas of two triangle, which is equal to base into height upon base into height. Now we have to consider this triangle, triangle ABD and triangle PQS. Okay, we will consider the triangle in triangle ABD and triangle PQS. Okay, in triangle ABD and triangle PQS, what is given? Angle B is equal to angle Q. It is okay. Angle B is equal to angle Q is given. Now other is what you see this symbol, it indicates that it is 90 degrees. So D angle ADB is equal to angle PSQ which is equal to 90 degree. Okay, so in this triangle, in triangle ADB and in triangle PSQ, what we have got? Two angles are similar we have got. Now see, to prove the similarity we need at least two conditions. So we have got these two conditions. So from this what we can say, that triangle ABD is similar to triangle PQS. According to test of similarity, triangle ABD is similar to triangle PQS. Okay, triangle ABD is similar to triangle PQS. These two triangles are similar. Now as these two triangles are similar, we can take the ratio of its corresponding sides. Means what? AD upon PS is equal to BC upon BC upon QS. AD upon PS and BD, it is BD upon QS. BD upon QS. Okay, we will give this name as 1. Now AD upon PS, I said AD upon PS, it was correct, and AB upon PQ. Okay, what we want? AB upon PQ. This we give it name as 1. Now front what we must do it is, triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. If these two triangles are similar, their also sides, their corresponding sides ratio we can take. We have said, see, it is given that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. So from this, as it is given, so triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Okay, so as this triangle is similar, this will give as 1 and this will give as 2. Okay, as these two triangles are similar, what we can do it, we can take the ratio of its corresponding sides. Means AB upon PQ, AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR. R. Now we have got this as equation 3. Now from this all three equation we can get the area of triangle ABC and area of triangle PQR we can get. Now see how. From 1, 2 and 3. 1, 2 and 3. Now this figure is not necessary here. See, proof we want. So from this what we will get? Area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is given what? BC into BC into AD. Now AD is what? AD is what? AB. Okay, and AB is what? AB is equal to BC. We have got AB upon PS, that is AB upon PQ. But AB upon PQ is what? BC upon QR. Okay, so this will take AB is BC and PQ is QR. Okay, so like this what we will get? BC into BC and QR into QR, which will be equal to BC square upon QR square. So did we get this? See, BC upon QR. BC upon QR. We have got this. Same way we will get this also. AB we will get. Now instead of AD we can substitute AB. Instead of AD we will substitute AB upon PQ. Now BC is what again? AB. So AB upon PQ we will get. So again we will get that side. Now see how remaining sides also similarly we can do it for other sides. Similarly, how area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR. What it is? BC into AD. Now BC into AD is we have substituted. Now BC into AD. BC is what? AB. AB upon PR. BC is AB upon PQ. BC upon QR is AB upon PQ. And AD upon PS is AB upon PQ. AB upon PQ. So it will be what? AB square upon PQ square. Follow? Now like this we will get the third side also. So similarly, therefore what we can say? Hence proof, area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to AB square upon PQ square is equal to BC square upon QR square is equal to AC square upon PR square. Okay, like this we can prove the theorem. Okay, so first step, see again, once again we will revise that the area of triangle ABC we have to take, that is base into height of other triangle, and in other triangle you have to consider ABD and triangle PQS, that we have to show that these two triangles are similar, and as these two triangles are similar, by test of similarity we can show that the ratio of its corresponding sides is equal. So we have got this statement too, and same way as these two triangles are similar, same way we will get original triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR. So its also corresponding sides ratio we will take. So from this all three statement we will get the proof of the theorem. Okay. Now thank you for watching this video. Stay home and remain safe. Thank you.